This is Brad, the kitchen guy at Brad's Home Center, and we're going to give you a new hack today. We're going to evaluate this Work Sharp onion knife sharpener. Now, this little guy has got an angle from 30 degrees, if I remember right, and I do down to 15. Now, 30 degrees is the whacker, right? This is what all us Chinese guys use to chop up the chicken. 15 degrees is what my new nuthin is. We want everybody to be as sharp as this. Now let's see how this works. Tension setting there, speed setting here, lock here. Here we are evaluating our onion Work Sharp knife sharpening tool. Now it will sharpen everything from this cleaver, this pair of scissors, this hunting knife, right on down to my brand new nuthin chef knife. And it does that by having different grits, of course, through an actual leather. Give you the best sharpness like they used to do before they gave you a shave. They used to take that and slap it across that leather belt. Same kind of thing, motor driven. So let's start off with my hacker. We use this to cut up what? Chicken bones, that kind of thing. And we know that shit is dull. You can see it's already sharper. Now, we have to step it down just like everybody else through all of them, but it's all automatic. All you do is change belts. It's easier when you're not watching.
Always.
Always easier when nobody's watching. You know, you get that my blah 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 nervousness going on. You ain't never done that before. Oh yes, I have. The next belt. Turn the guide back on. Look how easy that is. Everything's preset. Just guide it through. Here's the leather belt. This is going to give that fine polish that we're all looking for. Absolutely no effort at all. See that shine? Paper cut. Ooh. Shall we try the tomato cut? Not quite as smooth, but see how nice that is? For a cleaver, that's sharp.
Yeah, that's good for a cleaver.
Now, this is my daughter's knife. Frank, chairman of the board. Her husband gave that to her for self-defense. That's a dull knife. Nothing more dangerous than a dull knife.
Oh, right. Full sleeve.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, man.
I might as well have a brush.
Right.
That knife is dull. Dull knives are dangerous because you use more force than necessary and they slip through the paper challenge, right? Tears, doesn't cut. All right, we're going to start with the coarse and work our way down to the leather. Now I'm going to have some comment down there about working down to the leather. Keep that to yourself. We had our cleaver at a 30-degree angle. How hard is it to adjust it? Now that's a 15, that's what our nuthin knife, chef knife is. This one should probably be at a 20-degree angle. What the angle is it's the amount of angle between there and the flat part. The angle, which is the bevel between the unsharpened part of the blade and the sharp part, is the degree of the angle. The wider the angle is the fatter the knife and what it's used for. This, as a hunting knife, should probably be a 20-degree angle. Our chef knives are down to 15. Give a man a power tool, he'll use it all day. Give a man a non-power tool, he'll put it up in the garage. That's already way sharper, and we've only done the first round. All right, let's do the paper test since this is round one. I can feel the grit that has come off that already. Better, but not good. Better already. Now, one of the things I look for as I'm sharpening is the amount of sparks that go down there. That tells me how much meat it is grinding off that blade. The fewer sparks, the closer I am to a sharp. See how less sparks that had? Feel how sharper that is. Paper test. Ooh. Oh, almost there. Finer and finer we go.
And those swap outs are really quick.
It's made to be an easy tool. Now I don't know if you noticed how light I was holding that. I was not gripping it. I was simply letting the guide and the belt guide me. That's how easy this is. Knife sharpening should be easy and should be fast. It's less than 5 minutes a knife, and you can get that kind of performance. Shall we do the tomato test?
Yeah.
I'd say that's sharp. Doing what's made to do. Now you're never going to get it as sharp as the Meissen knife because you can see the thickness difference. This is what a chef knife's made out of and what it's supposed to be. This is a hunting knife. Don't take your chef's knife hunting, don't take your hunting knife chef.
Right.
Watch how thin I can cut this.
Wow. It's like a piece of paper down at the bottom.
Paper thin. Difference between a hunting knife and a chef knife. Now I have been asked, these are impossible to sharpen on a whetstone. But according to the paperwork here, it will sharpen. So we're going to give it a whirl. Tried it right at 18. And remember, 18 is the amount of bevel. I do expect this to fail the paper test because it's a serrated blade. This is made for vegetables and bread. But
Oh, what? It almost went right
almost
through.
did as good as my Meissen.
Yeah.
Almost.
Wow.
And this, I will tell you, this is a cheap knife.
I did not expect that.
Shall we do the tomato test?
Okay. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
You know the
Wow.
difference between a good knife and an inexpensive knife is? How long it holds the sharpness of the blade. High carbon steel. Soft stainless. This one, I may have to sharpen once a year. This one, I sharpen every month. This is Brad at Brad's Home Center. We are just done the work knife sharpening tool. It is fabulous. I recommend it. I own it and I use it. And oh my God, throw away them damn whetstones. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share.